Hi guys, I'm Madeline here at Lakeside Table, and over on my blog, lakesidetable.com, I've got tons of easy recipes that are really low carb, like this one that we're doing today, roasted chili verde. This one comes together in about an hour, but if you can let it simmer longer, it just gets better and better. First, take the paper off 1 pound of tomatillos and wash them. Place them on a baking sheet and rub them with olive oil. Roast the tomatillos in the oven at 425 degrees until they turn dark brown and start to burst open. That should take about 20 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the meat in half because this is way more pork than we need, and then I'll save the other half for another recipe later. While the tomatillos are roasting, heat 2 tablespoons vegetable oil in a large deep skillet. When the oil is hot, add 2 pounds of pork that have been cubed and brown it on all sides. Season with salt and pepper. If you want to switch it up a bit, you can always use chicken. Once the tomatillos have roasted and exploded, break out your blender. Honestly, I love any recipe I can use a blender for because that means no chopping. I love it. In go all the tomatillos and their juices. 4 cloves of garlic, 1 quartered onion, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 tablespoon cumin, and a ½ teaspoon salt. Blitz on high until it's smooth. Then you're going to pour your sauce over the meat, give it a good stir, and really work up the brown bits at the bottom of the pan. And then right before you serve it, oops. Don't put your blade in there, we want to keep that out. Right before you serve it, squeeze over the juice of a lime, and I also really like to put a big bunch of cilantro in there. Chili verde is great with tortillas, rice, shredded cheese, refried beans, sour cream, and lime wedges. Personally, I like it with a little bit of sour cream and extra lime, and it is so good, so good. The cilantro makes it so fresh and green, and that little bit of lime just like gives it a great kick. I love it. This is a great recipe too because it's so versatile. If you make it on the weekends, then it'll last all week and you can have it for lunch and dinner. And if you make it with extra sauce, you can eat it as a soup, and it freezes really well for up to 4 months. I hope you make this recipe, and if you do, I really hope your family enjoys it as much as mine does. Thanks again for hanging out with me here at Lakeside Table. Oh, and remember, if you want to print this recipe out, go over to lakesidetable.com and you can find it all there. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great week, and I'll see you soon. Bye.